I hope you are all fine. Okay, good morning everyone. Today our subject is science. We will deal the science subject lesson 5. The lesson name is insects. Insects. What is the lesson name? The lesson name is insects. Yeah. How many of you know about insects? We will see different kinds of insects in our daily life. Every day we will see some kind of insects, especially in the night time or a daytime. Whenever we want, we can see those kinds of insects. Yes. But here the insects are small animals. These insects are very small animals. Some insects we cannot see with our naked eyes also. That kind of insects also will be present on this earth. There are many kinds of insects. Yeah, there are many kinds of insects. For example, the insects we can identify, some insects are mosquitoes, dragonflies, bed bugs. Like that we can take some examples like that for the insects. Yes, they live everywhere in the hot deserts. Yes, obviously when the summer season comes, most of the mosquitoes will come in our day, we will see every day in our life, especially in the hot regions. Cold mountains. In the cold mountains also we can see some kind of insects, and even in water also. And even in the water, especially, most probably we can see so many insects on the water. I hope all of your children, you are having water tanks in your houses. Yes. On that, in that water tank, you can see some kind of insects. Storage of water. If we store water for a few days, like 3 days or 4 days, automatically or obviously some insects will lie on that water, isn't it? I think you have observed, and you will throw that water again, you will try to fill a fresh water. Why this water? You will think, and you will try to change the water instead of, and you will give some protection to that water also, instead of giving the instead of covering with we will cover the water with some cloth or like that. We will take some precautions for that water. Yes, and the next point is most insects live on land. Many live on plants and some in the soil. Yes, most of the insects also will live on plants and also in the soil. In the soil we can see small insects like earthworms, and some are termites like that. We will see under the soil. Those insects will clean the soil by taking out the rotten roots of the plants. Like that we can see some kind of insects. And most probably, one more point is, the insects are the most best friends for the farmers. Why I am saying that the insect is the farmer, is the friend of the farmer? Because it will eat all the rotten part of the plant. Once the plant is eaten by some insect, some may get good gain and some plants may die due to the cutting of the roots by the insect. And the other one is ants, bees, flies and butterflies are few common insects. Yes, in this we can see different. Yeah, in our daily life we will see ants, mosquitoes. Mosquitoes means probably not in the night also, but in the morning also. If we are sitting in a leisure place, we can find some mosquitoes are biting our body, isn't it? Like that we can see some ants also. Ant is also one kind of a insect. Bees. Bees means these insects will suck the nectar of the flowers. Will suck the nectar of the flowers. Nectar means nothing but the sweet part of the flower. Sweet part of the flower. And flies. Obviously, if some sweet part is there in our house, automatically some flies will come on that sweet part. For that we can take example for mangoes. If the mango season comes, most probably, even though if we are not taking any mangoes in our house, all the veranda is filled with flies, because it is the best friend for the mangoes. And butterflies. Butterflies, automatically you know what kind of, we will see those butterflies, and they are very beautiful and very pretty. Are few common insects. These are the few common insects. And one more thing, insects are small animals. As in the starting of the lesson I have discussed with you that insects are small animals. Yes, insects are small animals. The body parts of insects are, have you ever seen in deep or in with the deep eyes an insect? What kind of parts will the insect body will have? The body parts of the insect are head, thorax and abdomen. Head, thorax and abdomen. Head is nothing but for the insect. The upper part of the body is the head, and the thorax is the middle part of the insect, and the abdomen is the ending point of the insect. In the next class, again we will discuss about the parts of the insects. Yes, I hope you understand this chapter, this little chapter. Body parts of an insect. Now we will see the parts of the body. Okay, parts of the insect. Now, the main part of an insect is head. Yes, obviously for all the human beings also, the main part of the body is the head only. The other than the organs we can discuss in the human body lesson. But for coming this insect part, we will discuss that head is the main part of the insect. And two feelers. One feeler here and the other one is here. Two feelers. A pair of feelers will have. And one head. And two eyes. Two eyes are present for an insect. And thorax. See here. The thorax. And wings. There are four pairs of wings. And legs. How many legs are there? And the abdomen. And the last part of the body of an insect is an abdomen. Okay. Now let's discuss these points about an insect. How do they function and how we can see how that insect is functioning. Okay. Now see. The head has a pair of feels, two eyes and a mouth. Here, see, two pairs of feels. Yes, and one head and eyes and mouth. Mouth is here. I forgot to label it, but it's okay. Mouth is here. Okay, and next. Two tiny hair-like parts on head. Two tiny pairs like head on the head. These two hair parts are called the feelers. These two pairs are called feelers. Okay. Next, these are the feelers. The feelers help an insect to smell and feel things. With the help of these pair of feelers only, an insect can smell and can sense the whatever it is touching, and it can sense that part of the whatever it is sucking. Okay. Next, here for the human beings, we can sense or we can smell anything with the help of our nose, and we can taste it with the help of our tongue, and we can chew with the teeth. In the mouth we are having all this. In the same manner only, the insect also can sense anything with the help of the feelers. Okay, they can smell also. They can smell. Next, the thorax is the middle region of an insect. Here the thorax is the middle region of the insect. Here head and the abdomen. Between these two organs the thorax is there, and it is located in the mid of the insect, in the middle region of the insect. What is located in the middle of the insect? Thorax. Yes. Next, the thorax is the middle region of an insect which bears wings and legs. All insects have 6 legs. Yes. This thorax is based with wings. Yes. This thorax is based with the wings. And all the insects, not only some type of insects, but every insect will have 6 legs. How many legs? 6 legs. 6 legs are there for an insect. And most insects have 2 pairs of wings. 2 pairs of wings. This side, left side 2 and right side 2. Okay. Next, the abdomen is located just behind the thorax. First starting head. Yes. Then thorax. And after the thorax, soon comes the abdomen. The thorax, between the after the head, thorax, the abdomen will come at the ending point of the insect. Okay, the abdomen is located just behind the thorax. After the thorax comes soon the abdomen and contains many important parts of the body. This whole insect is consisted of many kinds of or many parts of the body. What are the main parts of the body? Head, feelers, eye, thorax, wings, legs and abdomen. Okay, is that clear up till here? Now we will see what does an insect eat. What does an insect eat? The insect will eat the nectar of the flowers, and the mosquitoes will suck the blood of the human beings, and the dragonflies clean the surroundings by when some cows or some they will give that dung, that will be cleaned by these dragonflies only. And the beetle bird insect or ladybird insect is the friend of the farmer. Why is it the friend of the farmer? Because it will eat all types of insects, small insects which were lying on the leaves. That is why it is the best friend for the farmers. Okay, and when next coming for the insect, how do insects breathe? Okay, how do insects breathe? Children, I hope you are following the lesson, what I am saying. Try to understand. If any doubts, please keep a message or something. Okay, and see how do insects breathe. Insects, they will breathe through the spiracles.
The spiracles are nothing but which is having small holes. With that help of holes, the insect will breathe. Okay. Next. Insects take air through spiracles. The air enters into the fine tubes of the body and reaches every part of the body. And it reaches every part of the body. Next. All insects lays eggs. All insects lays eggs. The young ones of insect help from the eggs. Butterflies and moths fly on eggs on plants. Mountains lay eggs in water. Bees lays eggs in leaves. Okay. These bees lays eggs in leaves. Okay. I hope you understood the lesson. Thank you.